Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can fix too many login attempts in Swiggy. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So, first method is just wait 15 to 30 minutes. Swiggy locks your login after too many OTP attempts. Do not request more OTP during this time. Number 2 is just restart your phone. This helps clear temporary network issues. And then number 3 fix is just clear the Swiggy app data. Go to settings, then apps, then Swiggy, then storage, and then clear data and clear cache. Number 4, turn off any VPN or app cloning tools, Just disable VPN, dual apps, or parallel space, island, or any similar cloning apps. Number 5, reset your advertising ID on Android Go to settings, and then privacy, and then ads, and then reset advertising ID and just restart your phone afterward. Number 6 is just make sure your SIM has proper network signal. OTP delays can cause repeated attempts. Move to a better signal area and request only one OTP. Number 7 is just try logging in from a different network. Switch your mobile data to Wi-Fi, or from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or maybe even try another Wi-Fi. Now, number 8 is just try logging in from another phone. If it works on another device, then your original phone is temporarily flagged. Use the other device for 24 hours and then switch back. So yeah, these were some ways. So I hope this really actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.